Hello, everybody. My name is Anika Webster, and welcome to the Quincy University Academic Symposium. It's my pleasure to be selected as one of the keynote speakers to talk to you today. So now let me tell you a little bit about myself. So like I said, my name is Anika Webster. I graduated Quincy University in 2018 with a Bachelor of Arts in Biology and a minor in Psychology. Currently, I'm enrolled in a doctorate program at Spalding University here in Louisville, Kentucky, studying occupational therapy. So for those of you that don't know what occupational therapy is, that's okay. Not many people do. However, it's similar to physical therapy in the sense that it is a rehabilitative science. However, we mostly use what we like to describe as a functional approach to therapy. So that's helping people with their activities of daily living, such as bathing, grooming, dressing, feeding, all that good stuff. So we do apply therapy, but we use a more functional aspect to it. So it's a lot more personal to the patient, client-centered, that sort of thing. So my dream job as of now, and as I'm going through the curriculum, it really hasn't changed much from pediatrics, which is what I really want to do. However, I do see myself being in a school setting doing occupational therapy. So that's where you work mostly with kids on behavioral issues, or handwriting is a really major thing, or sensory integration. So just a lot of fun stuff. Really haven't decided quite yet, but it's kind of what I'm leaning towards. So getting to my personal experience with the symposium, it was a great one. I participated in the first symposium that Quincy University had, and a group of me and two other classmates that worked with Dr. Hale on research participated in the poster session. So what the poster session was is that we talked about our research with aplasia and classical conditioning them to certain different stimuli. And I thought it was a great opportunity, not only to talk about the research that we'd worked so hard on, but to also get experience with working in a group, not only to conduct research, but then talking about it to other people, kind of showcasing what we did. We actually came in third place, which was really cool and very exciting, kind of unexpected in that sense. But I think that I generally just love the opportunity because not many people in undergrad have gotten that opportunity, not only in research, but then to talk about your research and discuss it. I think it helped with my public speaking. In my program now, we do a lot of group presentations and things like that. So I think my confidence with public speaking definitely increased, but also just my general knowledge of research itself was in the process that really goes into it, because it really was a very involved process. As far as my education at Quincy University, I could not have been more grateful for the education I received there. The professors, with it being so small and so close-knit, of course you're held to a high standard because they will notice if you're not in class or not doing as well as they know you can. And so I think that was definitely helpful for me, keeping me focused. And they genuinely care about your well-being, and not only in the classroom, but outside of it. Dr. Hale's the greatest example of this, in the sense of that she would ask me how basketball games went, because I did play basketball there, I forgot to mention that. So she would ask me about games all the time, or how practices went. So just having that close-knit environment and community with your professors and your classmates was the greatest thing I think I could have had for my education at Quincy. So how the symposium helped me with my future plans. So it not only helped me learn how to read and comprehend a research article and all the parts that goes into it, but also made me appreciate the process of research as a whole. It really did take a lot. It was a very slow process. It involved all of us, our small group of mighty minds, to kind of come up with a way to do it, all the supplies we needed, all that good stuff. And so when you look at a research article, all that goes into it, so it not only helped me with that, but also helped me with my future research plans. So a part of the doctorate degree that I'm working towards, we have a capstone project at the end of it. So that will require me to either piggyback off of research that's already ongoing and kind of continue that, or to start my own research on a topic of occupational therapy. So just, again, having the appreciation of all that goes into creating a research an article or practice or a project, understanding all that goes into that, and also helping me use research within my practice and being an evidence-based practitioner. But thank you for the opportunity to get to speak to you guys today. Have a great symposium. Thanks.